Welcome to Wixie. This is Mr. Posey. We are going to go ahead and show you how to make words with your Thanksgiving template. You are given a bunch of letters up here. You're going to try to make as many words as you possibly can. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and go grab some letters and start putting together some possible words, trying to fit as many as we can on this piece of paper. So as I go through here and work on these, the first thing I notice, I have a T and I have an H. I can then take an I, make it really close, and I can grab this N and I can make the word thin. I can even come down if I'd like, make a one-letter word called an A. I then come over here and I see the word thank. Notice here I'm going to try to put these as close as together so I can make as many words as possible. And the goal right here is to make as many words as you can using Thanksgiving. So good luck and go get started.